Let me tell you a little bit of my story and why you may want to subscribe to my channel. Simply stated, I am not an expert in the field of voice acting. I've never done a professional voice acting job. I've never been paid to do voiceovers or audiobooks or anything like that yet. But I'd like to. I'd like to turn a little bit of a hobby into something that's more than a hobby. And my guess is some of you are in that same position. And you're flooded with gadgets and understanding them and trying to figure out how do you start? Well, let's start together. If you follow my channel, I can't promise there'll be a pot of gold at the end for either of us. But I'd like to learn this, and I think it'd be great if you, the audience, learn with me. As I make mistakes, I'll share them, and hopefully we will both learn from that. As I try things out, I'll give you an opinion from someone who's not technical as to, well, why is it maybe not working, and maybe we can help each other out. It's my hope to build a real community of people who are like me, who are starting with literally a scoreboard of 0 paid gigs. And if we can do this together, we could share our own mistakes along the way instead of just watching the opinions of experts, which is great. I still follow a lot of experts. Let's follow each other. Let's learn almost like a buddy thing. Let's keep this community of like-minded people, and maybe some experts can chime in from time to time and help us as a community. But it'd be great to have a community where we leave comments about our own little troubles, our own little successes and failures, and how we can learn from them. So for that reason alone, if you're in a similar position, or maybe you're ahead of us and you'd like to help the community, it'd be great if we subscribe and interact a little bit. Leave comments, not the usual, hey, cool video, although I like that too. Let's truly interact. Let's get to know each other. Let's share our experiences. Let's share our mistakes. Let's learn together. So I think that'd be something that would be great. And I hope you'd like to subscribe. Thanks.